In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free business website with HubSpot. We'll walk through the exact clicks to get a professional site online using HubSpot's free tools, and I'll share tips along the way so you know what to expect at each screen. Start on your HubSpot home dashboard. From the main navigation at the top, open the More menu. Hover over the Content section to reveal the website options. This is where HubSpot groups everything related to pages, blogs, and files, so hovering helps surface the tools we need without leaving the dashboard. Choose Website Pages to open the Website Manager. Here, you'll see any existing pages and a button to create something new. Click Create a website page. This launches the page creation flow. If you see prompts about a site or theme, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen defaults for now. You can always refine those choices later. Next, select the template you want. Templates control the basic layout, like where your header, hero section, images, and call to action buttons go. Look for a clean, responsive option that fits your brand. Use previews to check how it looks on desktop and mobile before committing. A simple layout is often easiest to customize and fastest to publish. When the template opens, choose Edit manually. This gives you full control of the page's content and design without generating anything automatically. You'll see modules for text, images, buttons, and forms. Click a module to edit it, then update the content panel on the left. Now, make the page yours. Replace placeholder headlines with a clear value proposition that explains what your business does. Swap in your logo and brand colors if your theme allows. Update images and add descriptive alt text so they're accessible and search-friendly. Adjust buttons to point to your most important action, like contacting you or viewing services, and make sure links open correctly. If your template includes navigation, rename menu items to match your pages. You can add or remove sections to keep the page focused. Less clutter leads to better conversions. Before publishing, check the mobile view and make small spacing tweaks so everything reads well on a phone. Finally, set your page title, meta description, and URL slug in the Settings panel to help with SEO and clarity. When you're happy with the edits, click Publish. HubSpot will make your page live and provide a link you can share. If you need to tweak anything after publishing, just reopen the editor, make changes, and update. That's it. You've created a free business website page in HubSpot, from dashboard to live link. Thanks for watching, and keep building.